An unseen organism utterly transformed human civilization, shaping our daily lives. Without this tiny helper, much of our culture would simply not exist. Imagine a world without bread, beer, or even wine. These staples, deeply embedded in human history, share a surprising secret. That secret lies within the microscopic realm, with a humble, single-celled fungus. This is the story of yeast, the silent architect of our culinary traditions. For millennia, humans harnessed yeast without understanding its true nature. Evidence of fermentation dates back to ancient Mesopotamia, around 7000 BCE. Early brewers in Sumeria crafted rudimentary beers, vital for sustenance. Ancient Egyptians perfected bread making, using yeast's leavening power. They observed dough rising mysteriously, a seemingly magical process.
These early cultures revered the outcomes, attributing them to divine intervention.
Centuries caused their, after its use, daily miracles, attributing them to divine intervention.
The scientific breakthrough arrived much later, centuries after its use.
In the 17th century, Antony van Leeuwenhoek first observed yeast cells. He called them animalcules, seeing them through his powerful new microscope. However, their exact role in fermentation remained a mystery for centuries. It was Louis Pasteur in the 1850 who finally unlocked the secret. Pasteur demonstrated that living yeast cells were responsible for fermentation. His groundbreaking work proved yeast converts sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This discovery revolutionized brewing and baking, making processes more controlled. It also laid foundations for microbiology, fundamentally changing science. Now we understood the tiny force behind our favorite foods and drinks. Consider bread, a universal symbol of sustenance and hospitality. Yeast, specifically Saccharomyces cerevisiae, gives bread its airy texture. It consumes sugars in flour, producing carbon dioxide gas. This gas forms bubbles, causing dough to rise beautifully. Without yeast, bread would remain flat, dense, and unappealing. From sourdough to brioche, yeast provides a diverse range of textures. Its presence transformed simple grain into an accessible, nourishing food. Then there's beer, another ancient beverage with profound cultural roots.
Yeast determines a beer's flavor profile, from hoppy Ales to crisp lagers.
Different yeast strains produce distinct aromas and alcohol levels. Belgian Trappist beers, for example, rely on specific yeast cultures. These microscopic organisms define entire brewing traditions globally. The evolution of beer is truly the story of yeast diversification. Yeast also plays a critical role in winemaking, fermenting grape sugars. It gives each vintage its unique character, complexity, and alcohol content. Even in modern biotechnology, yeast serves as a vital cellular factory. It produces biofuels, medicines, and even new food ingredients.
From ancient bread to modern medicine, yeast's impact is undeniable.
This tiny microbe shaped agriculture, commerce, and human settlement patterns. Its silent work continues to enrich our tables and our lives daily. The microscopic realm truly holds secrets that build our world. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives into unseen wonders.